Asus ROG Poseidon Platinum Geforce GTX 1080 Ti unboxing. I recently got a pair of these 1080 Ti's for my new work and play desktop. Here you can see some of the GPU details on the inner flap. You can water cool or air cool this GPU. I know it's been around for a while. I just decided I might as well get two of these for my new build. Even though I might not use them for that long, they might end up getting replaced within the year. I got these to use along with my Maximus Formula X motherboard, as that motherboard has water cooling. So I'll water cool the CPU, motherboard, and GPUs. I also got an i7 8700K and a Lian Li Asus ROG inspired PC011 WGX case, which is specifically designed for Asus and for water cooling. It's a great looking build, really happy with my desktop and these GPUs so far. The build here is just temporary. I will end up water cooling it properly in the near future. Right now I'm just using the H80i as a temporary fix on the CPU. I'll go ahead and open the box. Inside the outer box is a nice Asus inner box. Inside that there is a cool ROG sticker sheet and your standard DVD. After removing the foam, you'll find two 6-pin to 8-pin cables if you need those to power your GPU, and some Velcro straps for cable management. I'll take the GPU out of the box, tidy up my box and get it out of the way. Remove the GPU from the bag. Again, really nice GPU, air cooled, water cooled. You can use just air, you can do it water, you can use both. I know this GPU's been around for a while, but I was able to get them for a fair price, and I decided, why not get some for my new desktop. Really nice GPU, easy to set up for water cooling. On the back of the card you can see the nice Asus logo. Aura Sync LED RGB. SLI. Two 8-pin connectors. Water cooling block. Has the Aura Sync Infinity LED on the side. For display outputs, it has two HDMI, two DisplayPort, and one DVI output. I'll be using two of these to power three X34P Acer monitors. On the back of the card it has fan headers so that you can power your case fans or radiator fans through the GPU, which is really great for water cooling, being able to control the radiator fans with the GPU temperature directly. So I hope you liked the video, I hope it helped, and thanks for watching.